Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my garden. So it started to be really cold outside here. We are at zone 6 and we already had 2 days of snow last week. So it is time to prepare the garden for the winter, and that mainly will be cutting back the dahlias. I won't dig up the tubers this year. I will try to overwinter them in the soil. I will mulch them and see how it goes. I will also cut back a few more perennials, and after that I will finally decorate the Christmas trees. I will decorate the baby blue spruces I bought last year. Actually, I wanted to do this project last year, but before Christmas I got the flu and I was really sick and there was no way I could go outside and decorate the Christmas tree. But it is actually better this year because this year I have 2 of them. I got as a gift another blue spruce and now I have 2 of them. The new one didn't have a tag. I initially thought that it was the same baby blue spruce as the one I bought, but it is a different variety. It has a more gray color than the one I bought. The one I bought is more blue and the other one is more gray, but they are the same height, so it is really nice and exciting. So I will create a silver and a pink and gold Christmas tree. After I bought these, I realized that I bought the same colors as the roses in garden. So I will have a silver and a pink and gold Christmas tree. These ornaments contain both pink and gold, so this is what I want to go with. The big ones are more gold and the small ones are more pink, and the silver one will be full silver. And I don't want to hurt the top of the trees by putting on them different ornaments, so I will create my own, and I will create silver ribbons for both trees and I will attach them to the top of the trees, so this one won't hurt them. And one more thing I wanted to mention, I bought these ornaments specifically for outside because these are plastic. I didn't want to put glass or really expensive ornaments outside, so these are perfect. I'm really happy about this project, you guys. Let's go. So it started to be so windy and freezing outside. I had to go inside and change my clothes. But anyways, we are here at the Dahlias. This is what a few weeks of freezing temperatures and a few days of snow does to your dahlias. So this is how they look like 3 weeks ago. And this is how they look like now. So they are ready to be cut back. And we're done with the mulching. So this is the one I bought for last Christmas. This is the Baby Blue Spruce. I'm not sure which one goes the best. I think this will be the silver one, because the other one, you can see it in the back, is more gray, so that will be the pink one, and this will be the silver one. These are so cute, you guys. These are also so cute. And we also have 3 beautiful stars. So this is the second tree. I also planted this last January, and it has grown a lot since then. I also have these in pink, and these are so cute. So I found this beauty, and I was thinking I will put this on the top of this tree, and I will make a ribbon for the other one. I know this is not a real ribbon, but I think it is better than a real one, and it is not hurting the tree, so that is the most important thing. And first one is done. Thank you a lot for watching, you guys. See you in the next one. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.